morning, Pashley. So today we're going to do a little bit of phonics practice review, and then we're actually going to do a spelling lesson today. So let's start with our quick review, our quick bubbles. I. You or oo. O. That's our split digraph, A. Remember to always stick your tongue out when you do the sound. Don't confuse it with the sound. It's a thumb. Or, our last one today, it's our tricky one, isn't it? Lots forget this one. It's our your. So today we're going to be looking at a spelling rule of the when to add a digraph or s at the end of words. So let me see if I can share this with you now. Let's have a look. Hopefully you can see what I can see. So we're looking at the sounds of f and s when they are spelt with a digraph. Now we know digraph isn't two letters that make a sound. So the sound is still a f and a s, but it's made up of two letters, a f, s. So let's start. First of all, how many words can you think of that have a f or s sound, a f or s sound at the start of them? So like ish, fish. So write some down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper if you've got them. Pause the video and think of as many words as you can with a f or s sound at the start of the word. Did anyone get this one? Friends. Box. Football. Fish. That's what I did. Finger. So all the f is at the sound is at the beginning of those words. Now's our s, sock. School. Slipper. Slide. Sun. I bet you came up with lots more than that, but well done. So now I want you to pause and have a think about when, what words can you think of with the f or the s sound in the middle of the word or at the end of the word? So for example, you could have the word off, because you can hear the f at the end of that, off. So pause the video and have a think of words with the f or the s sound at the middle or the end. Let's see if some of you came up with mine. There's my off. Off. Puff. Have you noticed anything yet? Where is the f sound? What's happened to the single f? It's become a digraph, isn't it? You're putting two f's. And again, sniff, sniff. Oh, that's not at the end of the word, it's at the middle of a word. Offer. Kiss. Hiss. Less. Messy. Did you come up with any others? Well done if you did. So we've got to decide whether it's the same sound. It's still a f sound or a s sound. F or s. But what do you notice about the spellings? Look at these words. Look at the spelling of these words. Talk to a partner. Talk to somebody at home. Can you think of a spelling rule for spelling the words with a f or the s phoneme in them? Can you come up with a spelling rule for me? So pause the video, it might take you a while. Look at how these are spelt, these words, and see if you could come up with a spelling rule. Okay. So the rule I came out with was the f and the s sounds are usually spelt with the digraph f or s if they come after a vowel, an A, an E, I, O, U, a, e, o, a. So if it comes after a vowel in short words, you use the digraph. Let me go back to that page. So looking at these, you see, so if you look at what that dragon is doing, he's puff. So you've got the p and then you've got the vowel ah. So it's followed by the digraph. Look at offer. The vowel o is followed by the f digraph. Spock. So it's a single s sound because there's no vowel before it. Kiss, k, I. There's the vowel. So it's followed by the s, the digraph. S. Look at messy. Does the s have a vowel before it? It does, doesn't it? It has the e, s, e. So the rule is usually, not all the time, usually spelt with a digraph or s if it comes after the vowel. However, as always in our language, there are exceptions where some words don't follow that rule. Look at these ones. In these words I'm about to show you, you use the single f or s. Let's have a look. So, a is the vowel, s, us. I, if, b, us, yes. So pause the video or go back to the beginning if you would like to take this a bit slower. Oh, go back a bit. So if you'd like to take this a bit slower, so I'd like you to choose 2 words to put into your own sentences. Use one with the single f sound or s sound and one with the digraph or s. So 2 sentences. Okay. So that was our spelling rule today. Let me see if I've got, there we go. So we looked at the spelling rule and we decided, didn't we, together, that the f and s sounds are usually spelt with the digraph, if it comes after a vowel. So let's spot the vowel in these. So you got the sn, I, there's your vowel, followed by the digraph. Let's find the vowel in this one. There it is. I, I, s. And then you use the digraph s at this one. So where's the vowel in this letter? Is it the k? Is it the a? Yes. So we have k, a, f, cuff. Where's the vowel? Is it this one? No, you're all telling me it's this, isn't it? There's the vowel. So we have k, I, s. So we've got the digraphs there after a vowel. As I said earlier, go back through the video if you want to. And then I have sent you a little activity for you to complete on Dojo, filling in some sentences, choosing whether it should have the single f sound or the digraph or the s. So that was our first spelling rule lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have learned when to use the digraph and s. So I will see you all again tomorrow with another lesson. Bye-bye.